How's it going, guys, and welcome back to another video on the Big Taze channel. It's been nearly a year. This channel is going to be changing slightly. So it's changing from Big Taze to Big Taze Games. As you guys know, I am a huge gamer. I love gaming. Something you might not know though, I actually love Pokemon cards. I have a massive collection of Pokemon cards, somewhere in the region of about 3,000 cards, and I collect them on a regular basis. I want to get into doing things like competitions, going to events, open days. There's quite a few local shops near me that I wouldn't mind sort of filming at and showing you guys as well, which are really cool. Things like live streams with pack openings and giveaways for you guys. But anyway, let's not waste too much time. Today, the very first Pokemon related video that's going to be on this channel is I have a big box of, a big load of eBay stuff that I bought. But yeah, for today, we're going to start with this. So I'm going to switch over to this camera and let's open these up. Also, before we get started, I just want to say I do have 4 of these graded cards, which are ones I already know about. They're my cards, but I'd show them at the very end. So if you want to see those, stick around to the very end and I'll show those on camera. I know what all of these are, so there's no surprises in it. But if you guys like this kind of video, please leave a like and a comment down below. What are your favourite Pokemon cards? What stuff would you like to see me open, etc.? Let me know. Right, okay, cool, I know what this one is. So, this isn't anything too special, but this is, I'm really into my vintage and old cards. And this is from a set which, again, I'm not very familiar on sets, apart from like base set and the Season 2, Rocket, Fossil, Jungle, etc., which is pretty much the era that I was collecting, and a few of the newer ones. This one, I will put on screen where it's from. I cannot remember, but I know that these ones are the sort of, there was like a lull in Pokemon, so when it first came out, originally, it was very, very popular, then it died off, and now it's got very popular again as well. But that's the first card. The Spinarak looks in pretty good condition. Yeah, it's actually in quite good condition, apart from a few little bit of whitening down here. That's actually not too bad. Cool, okay, so that's the first one. So, this card is the Unknown V. Nice. I've got a thing about Unknown. I do love Unknown. They're just really random Pokemon. Now, obviously, none of these are going to be very expensive cards, but the idea is that hopefully as the channel goes along, we'll be able to get more and more and more, hopefully. So, yeah, Unknown, second card. Nice card, that. Okay, next one. Says P14 and P17 on the back. Not sure why. Now, this one I got because I am collecting the Gym Challenge and the other gym one. I can't remember what it's called now. And this is part of the set, and this is one I need. Very nice looking card, good condition. Apart from the sleeves got some dirt on it down there. But yeah, looks good. Awesome. Right, let's see what else is in here. Okay, right. Okay, let me just double check there's nothing else in there. Nothing else in there, good. Let's go with that. Okay, so this one is Dark Machoke. So this is from the Rocket set. I know this because of the R here, and this is a set that I was collecting as a kid as well. But this is a Pokemon I didn't actually get when I got that set. Right, so we've got, I think, 2 more letters. So one more letter. So one this letter here. And then we've got the big one, which is going to be a trainer box, but it's an opened trainer box. So I think there's lots of stuff that they've taken out, probably the rares and stuff like that. Oh god, open this. And then they've left the things they don't want basically in it. But that's fine for me because I'm actually all about filling my sets. I'm looking at selling some cards as well at some point. Plus, if I want to do giveaways for you guys, having lots of bulk and extra doubles is going to be fantastic. So, especially with the channel small amounts. So yeah, these are my sleeves. Now these are for a reason which I will show you when we go into the graded cards. The reason I've got these 25th anniversary ones is because I completed this set, or one of the 25th anniversary sets, because there's 2. And I'll show you that in a second, but there's some really cool cards in that set. So that's cool. Sleeves, because I need those. I'm actually out of sleeves, so these cards I'm opening now, some of those will go in sleeves. Right, okay, so last one. Big old box, this one. So you probably won't see this on this camera because this is very zoomed in. Switch to the other one. Okay, so this is a Twilight Masquerade Elite Trainer Box. But like I said, this is an opened Twilight Masquerade Trainer Box. But I love the box for starters. I love these boxes. Oh, it's still got the actual cardboard dividers in it. I didn't expect it to have that. So let me show you a few things that are extra in here, first of all. So we've got Chimchar tin. This came free with it. That doesn't usually come with an Elite Trainer box, but this one did. And inside we've got Chimchar little card. That's quite cute. Is that the thing on the back? No, it's not. It's still on there. And a coin, which is that Raikou? I think it's Raikou. Raikou, however you pronounce it. Okay, so I'm going to try and do this without showing you on the big camera too much. I'm giving it away. There's going to be a lot of bulk in this, so I'll go through this quite quickly, and there's going to be a lot of other cards as well. So, first of all, I do have a lot of the digital cards, but I do actually play the game. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 of these on screen, and if you play the game, feel free. First person takes them. So there you go. First one. Second one. Okay, so we're going to go through these a little bit quicker because there's a lot of these ones. Right, lots of energies. Oh, a nice hollow energy. I like that. There's quite a few hollows actually. I wasn't expecting this many. I know that nowadays, you know, you get a pack and there's about 20 different hollows in them. And hollows, I mean, that's probably worth absolutely nothing. It's probably worth like 25p, I don't know. Put it on screen so you guys can see. But it's the EXs, the Vs, the full arts, the secret rares, all that kind of stuff now. Even trainer cards are worth sometimes more than these cards, which is insane. Because when I was a kid, trainer cards are the things we would have been. We would have got rid of them. Right, also in the box, before I carry on with the cards, we also have the usual damage counters, so burn and poison. The dice that I don't understand. If anyone can explain these to me, because I was playing this recently. When I was a kid, they used to have counters, like literal counters, like Tiddlywinks. I used to use that sort of thing. Now they've got dice, which I'm really confused about, because surely the Tiddlywinks are much simpler. And a dice, which I, again, don't think I've ever used dice in Pokemon in my life. A coin, yeah, you flip a coin. You can see the EX, I already found the EX. This is another Pokemon I'm not too familiar with, but it is a Paladin Clodsire EX. Not a card I have, which is awesome. And I've just realised there's more of those codes there, so there you go. That first one you can have as well. There's loads of these in there. Oh, an Umbreon. That's nice. Umbreon's really popular at the moment, so I'm quite surprised that stayed in here. Right, let's quickly rinse through these, because this is going on for quite a long time now. So that is everything in the box and the envelopes and stuff. So just to finish off today's video, I thought I'd show you my 4, I've only got 4 graded cards, but I will be getting some more as the time goes on. But I thought you'd like to see, or maybe you'd like to see, maybe you don't want to see, maybe you, if you leave a comment now and I won't show you. That's not going to work, is it? Right. Anyway, so the first one we've got is a first edition. It's from base set, or jungle, I think it's base, I'm pretty sure it's base set. It's not a huge grade, it is a Voltorb first edition. This was literally the first graded card I bought purely because I wanted a graded card, and it's a 6.5 from CGC. Next one, this is from a company I'm not that familiar with, Good Bros, but I bought this in my local Pokemon shop, and I think it was a reasonably good price, especially considering the age of this one. This is a vintage one. I think it's from Rocket Set, without looking at it, I can't remember. And it is Here Comes Team Rocket. Yes, it's Rocket Set, and it is a grade 7, 2000, so 24 years old, first edition. Yeah, lovely card. I love Jesse and James and Meowth, obviously. So that's a really, really nice card to add to the collection. Next one is a unique one. This is one that, oh, it says in the back, doesn't it? Oh no, it doesn't. Another company, again, I'm not too familiar with. This is Universal Grading Company. It says AI grading for accuracy and consistency. I'm not sure how I feel about AI grading cards, but never mind. So yeah, this is a really nice card though. Only bought it because it was incredibly unique. I think the idea of this, because it's a card that basically has blank and then the Pokemon's name, and it's a birthday related card, so I think the idea is that you are supposed to write your name on the card, which I would never do, that's just mad. But it is Birthday Pikachu. So you can see it's got blank up the top there, blank Pikachu. So I think it's meant to be like if I put Nathan's Pikachu. And it got a 9.5, so pretty good. And my last card I'm going to show you guys today is the Pièce de Resistance, the best card I have in the entire collection. Gold Mew. This got a grade Gem Mint 10. Gorgeous, gorgeous card. Love that. But yeah, that is today's video. That is it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have, leave a like and a comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see from this series. What do you want to see on this channel? Let me know. And also, let me know if you want one of the codes, if you're the first one to get those. I'd like to be interested to find out what you got in the packs. But I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!